Part 2 of transforming my bridal gown from that into this. Okay, so where we left off was we was going to take in the side seams of her dress because it was a little bulky. So basically I had the safety pins and I turned the fabric inside out, and now I am taking the safety pins and I took the chalk and then I marked it, and then now I'm taking the safety pins out so we are able to see how much we need to take in. So I took my measuring tape and then I measured how much we needed to take in, and then I took that measurement and I split it in half, and that's how much we're going to tape in at the seam, and basically I pinned right there. And so now we're going to take the ruler just to give it a more straighter seam. I'm taking the ruler and I am just marking dashes where I want it to be, and then we're going to connect those dashes so it can be aligned so I can know exactly where I need to sew. So before I got to the sewing machine, I wanted to go ahead and de-thread the slit because we wanted the slit to be a little more, show a little more skin. So we took the slit up just a little bit higher, and basically that's what I did right there. And now we're at the sewing machine. So I'm going ahead and I'm sewing the side seam up right exactly on the chalk line. That's exactly why I love my chalk, so I can know exactly where I need to sew and make sure that it's flat on the other side as well. And then now we're going to take the slit, and basically I take where the seam was, of course, and then basically I sew exactly where that seam was before I even, de-threaded it. I just like to retrace the seams just so you can't tell that it's been altered. So I noticed that the gown was a little wrinkled because it literally just came out of the package. So basically I decided that I wanted to go ahead and give it a quick press and steam because next we're customizing it, and I needed the pleats to be absolutely accurate because we're about to add some diamonds to it. So come back for part 3 where I show you guys where I customized the dress in the front, adding diamonds and bedazzles to the pleats. All right, see you guys soon.